Hello YouTube subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube and enjoy my walk around nighttime. It's about 1:30 in Athens, Tennessee, Eastern time zone, and it's about 36 degrees, 35, 36. Not as cold as it was last night when it got down below the 28, but it's chilly, but it's not overly freezing and stuff. I mean, enjoy the walk, that nighttime walk, with me. Yeah, this is behind the Ingles. A lot of times, I do this. A lot of times, just at either midnight or either 1 or 2 in the morning. Sometimes if I wake up, can't get back to sleep, and you have a sudden burst of energy, can't go back to sleep. Sometimes taking a walk, at nighttime like this does help. Now, granted, like, look, while we're doing this in a, well, not all cities. It won't be safe to do this. Depending on the crime rate. Athens, Tennessee, I mean, it's not real notorious for homicides, even though last was September in general. I mean, we had in 2 weeks we had about 2 or 3 spurts of homicides. I mean, last one was a quadruple homicide. This little spurts. Athens and McMinn County in general might get little spurts of homicides. I mean, like murders and stuff like that. I mean, somebody gets mad, goes off and shoots somebody. It's not like, like every day you have a shooting and stuff, like for gang activity or something like that. It's not like that, but the only thing about McMinn County or Athens in particular is maybe theft, assaults, and stuff like that, and burglaries. I mean, stuff like that. But other than that, I mean, stuff. Yeah, this is Athens, Tennessee. So, but even though if in big cities, I might still go for nighttime walks. It depends what area I'm in, how well lit it is, and stuff. Like Knoxville, probably it'd be cool to go for a walk on Cumberland Avenue, the UT campus, or any campuses for that matter, or major universities, stuff. Stuff. And this is Family Dollar, a good store to go to. I love this Family Dollar. My new crush, you will call it, works here. I'm trying to get in the process of asking out, but anyway, that's besides the point. And this store, I say, it needs to be like modernized, like rebuild the building. Like lot of businesses, we furnish the buildings or we build it, to keep up with building codes. At night, they don't have no lights. And sometimes they close at 9. But they close at 9. Sometimes I mean, sometimes it don't really matter. But and in the wintertime when it gets night early at 5:30, it's just dark, but yet no lights and stuff. And a lot of people, won't come to the store because if it's real dark and they're afraid they'll get mugged, people could mug them or something. But as you see, this store, it's a good store to go to. It needs it needs to be fixed up, lights and stuff. I mean, and that place where those crystals that was drive through only and stuff. You know, and because that they I mean they now it's just a bigger store now, but going down, but but they still have the foundation of it. I mean, somebody could come in, put in no business like a Central Park or would be good. We used to have Central Park, but we use another. Or Checkers could come down. Checkers could come down. That little small foundation. We know what I'm talking about. Old foundation, and I just see that they should redo the parking, the pavement. A few years ago, that Family Dollar did redo the pavement, and they did a very shitty job. They put blacktop on it, and they didn't let it drag long enough. Then people start driving on it. But a lot of stores, businesses, to upgrade the building codes, they'll remodel the store and stuff. They need that. And Harvest Freight, great quality tourist discount place. But they need probably would help get some more lights, kind of put pavement, redo their pavement. Just to they could do good businesses, but that's a lot of places in Athens, Tennessee, and they need to break down old buildings and stuff like that. There's a lot of old abandoned buildings, there's eyesore. That would get new businesses in, because a lot of potential new businesses. They come and they see the town. They said, "Well, it's a junky town and stuff. We don't want to do business if it's like this." But one thing I wish they would do and stuff. But y'all have a good day. Good night.